In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Asana. Understanding dependencies is crucial for anyone looking to streamline their project management workflow, especially if you deal with complex projects with tasks that need to be completed in a specific sequence. Dependencies in Asana allow you to link tasks such that one cannot commence until the previous one is completed. This is particularly useful for managing sequential workflows and ensures your team operates smoothly without stepping over task boundaries. Let's get started. First, you must open your project and create tasks. Navigate to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you're already a member, click Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, you may opt for Get Started or choose to try for free to create an account. Once you're in, proceed to your project. In the project workspace, your next task is to add the specific tasks that need to be completed in a defined order. Think through the tasks sensibly. These tasks should be logically arranged so that one naturally follows another. This arrangement is critical for setting up dependencies later on. Now let's set a dependency. Click on the first task that relies on another to be completed. On the task pane, find the dependencies or waiting on section. This is where you'll specify which task needs to be carried out first before this one. By selecting the prerequisite task, you tell Asana to monitor the sequence and ensure workflows proceed in the right order. Once you've set up your dependencies, monitoring and updating them becomes essential. Utilize the list view or timeline view in Asana for a full picture of how your tasks interrelate. The list view gives a straightforward outline where dependencies are explicit, while the timeline view provides a more visual representation, making it easier to track progress visually. As tasks reach completion, Asana will keep everyone in the loop. The platform automatically notifies the designated assignees for the next task in line once any dependent tasks are marked as completed. This automation minimizes miscommunication and ensures tasks flow smoothly from one team member to the next. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using dependencies in Asana. By understanding and implementing these steps, you can significantly augment your project management capabilities, ensuring efficiency and fluidity in your processes. Remember, the key is in planning tasks sequentially and setting up dependencies accurately to keep your workflows seamless and organized. Utilize Asana's features to their fullest potential and watch as your project timelines fall smoothly into place. Happy managing.